The green peafowl, Pavo multicus, is a peafowl species native to the tropical forests of South Asia. It has been listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List since 2009 because the global population has been declining rapidly and is severely fragmented due to loss of habitat. Unlike the related Indian peafowl, the sexes of green peafowl are quite similar in appearance, especially in the wild. Both sexes have long upper-tail covers, which cover the actual tail underneath. In the male, this extends up to 2 meters and is decorated with eye spots, while in the female, the covers are green and much shorter, just covering the tail. This magnificent bird, the green peafowl, was widely distributed in South Asia in the past from eastern and northeastern India, northern Myanmar, and southern China, extended through Laos and Thailand into Vietnam, Cambodia, Peninsula Malaysia, and the islands of Java. But the ranges have reduced with habitat destruction and hunting. Green peafowl are found in a wide range of habitats, including primary and secondary forests, both tropical and subtropical, as well as evergreen and deciduous. They may also be found among bamboo, on grasslands, savannas, scrub, and farmland edge. This whole flock of the green peafowl in this video were seen along the highway when we traveled from our hometown to Mondulkiri province, and this video was captured during 5:30, I think. The birds came to the roosting tree, and there were like 13 birds together, but they stay in a few trees side by side. Currently, these endangered species are being challenged with the local activities, the human activity, because of the land conversion. People that own the land, like the private land, they try to clear the forest and making the farm. So the numbers of the green peafowl can be affected and declining because of this. So we need to protect them. We need to keep the forest. We need to keep the natural beauty for every wildlife, for every animal, for our generation, for the future generation. If everything is destroyed, then there will be no hope for the future generation. Thank you for watching this lovely video. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell for the notification so you will not miss the next video.